you remind me, like we had to add a little birthday cake and anniversary
Yeah,
and heck?
absolutely. So these buttons up here are basically quick buttons that you can use them just to pull up your filters. You can basically assign any one of these filters here to a given icon if you want to. So here's a list of noogles. Who knows what a noogle is? I don't know. I was working really late, obviously. So if I come in here and I edit that filter, it's a list of anybody that's tagged with noodles. So then I come over here and I say save filter as. Right here's where you can assign these filters. So if I come here to number 4, it's currently unassigned. I can click on that, and then I can click on this icon to change the icon itself. So I can assign that as a noogle and then click on save. So then whenever I come in here, now I've got my noogles as a quick list. I can pull up my birthdays, whatever. So most of the time you're going to use these for your smart lists, things that change over time or used by dates or whatever, but you can use them however you want. You can set up I think it shows 6 at first, but it'll grow to more, I think 12 or something like that. But the more you add, the problem is the more you add, the less space you have whenever you go on a smaller screen. So